Alright, I'm so excited. Gonna go flying. Starting up my controller. What the? Welcome to the K&D Enterprise channel. The best way to support me is to subscribe, so please subscribe. Okay, I silenced that beeping. I covered that thing up. So basically, your remote controller, you have it fired up, you have your drone fired up, and you have the red light on here. Tells you that there's an issue. So this is about linking the aircraft again. Let's go up here. Click on Enter Device. And it's going to show here, aircraft disconnected. So, something's gone wrong in the linking. As I said, or if I haven't, it could be a new aircraft, could be a replacement drone you have, or something's just gone wrong and it needs to be linked to the controller. So go ahead, click on that aircraft disconnected message, and then you just want to scroll, and there's remote controller mode right here. Click on that, and then this menu comes up here, and down at the bottom, very bottom here, it says linking RC. Go ahead and click that. Let's get started. Okay, so it says aircraft disconnected. Click on that. Let's go to remote controller mode. And there's an option down here now that says linking RC. So let's click that. Confirm frequency settings. Okay. Now on the aircraft, there's a little button here. It's actually lit up right now. It's red. And by the way, you know that it needs to be linked if you have flashing lights on here also. But anyways, you press and hold this for 2 seconds about. So voila, it went really quick, but it said linking complete. So right now it's checking the version, terms of use. So let's just say I agree. And activate your aircraft when you connect it for the first time to receive your 1-year warranty. Input the name of your aircraft. Let's just call this one, keep it simple. I'm just going to go D3. Done. Next. So I'm going to keep the Mode 2 default controller settings, which is fine. You can customize buttons. You might want to read into that. I'm just going to leave them as is. I like the Imperial settings. I'll leave it at Imperial. And for video, I'm going to leave it at NTSC. And for safety concerns, beginner mode is enabled by default, which is fine. Basically, you need to have a GPS signal and you cannot fly higher than 98 feet when operating in beginner mode. I'm just going to leave it at that for now. Keep things simple. And so I'm going to activate my account, which is linked to this aircraft. Okay, so anyways, it's been activated. It's pretty much ready to go. We're also going to get into some other issues and other additions to the drone, things you can do with it. But this was just to activate your drone, get it linked to the controller, and look for my next videos. Look down in the description or in the comments. I'll have a link to more videos on how to get started so you're successful. And actually it wants to update the firmware. I'm going to do a new video on that. So hang in there. We'll get that going too.